Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news about market. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis. They're all my personal thought, personal idea, you know it. There is no any investment advice. I'm just sharing them for myself. That's it. So let's start. Today in economic calendar we will see, actually I was planning to say we will see, but while I'm opening my video it came. We got initial jobless claims. Previous 214k and actual 213. We were expecting actually equal with the previous. It came a bit lower, I can say it. Is that can affect? Not that much, but it's okay. At least not worse. So in news. Ship attacks in Gulf intensify as Israel launches new strike in Lebanon. Yes, yesterday Iran told they will make some things to Dubai, Lebanon, and they will keep continue. Guys, it's still going in same way. Yes, Trump saying they it will get closer to end of this war, but it's not going that way. It still continue, and I can say that Iran attacking Dubai and also Lebanon in the same time. It was yesterday, actually yesterday midnight. It looks like it will continue for a while in that way. I guess we can see some result in 1 week. At least we need to observe it to understand it for a time. US President Donald Trump prepares to launch critical trades investigation that could result in new tariffs. Yes, that's perfect. Trump again preparing for some other tariff case. The things after, if they succeed on it, we might see more big, more increase inside of those tariffs for most of country, and it would of course affect market in bad way. So let's hope it's not happen, because this is Trump. To be honest, I cannot say I don't think so, but I hope it's not gonna work the way that he wants. Let's see. In markets, total market cap. So let's check it. What I told you yesterday, it will drop down, and it's dropped down half of my way, but after it make some zigzag movement inside of it, I do still expect this drop. Of course, if it can break up, it would reach till, let's bring it 2.5, but so far I can just move this over here. So let's see. In Bitcoin, guys, where is it? Yes, yesterday same as it one, because to make this zigzag movement, to make this triangle, we need to see drop down till 67. Yes, it's making some zigzag movement inside of this small channel, but if it drop down, we still can wait a drop till 67 in Bitcoin. If it come, we would expect some reversal around here, like that. Yes, but the things, if it would break up 72, we can see rise, but everything is pretty confusing inside of the market right now. The wars, the tariffs, like we need to just watch out while we are making trades. That's the things. Ethereum. Ethereum also made a channel inside of here. If it cannot, let me make it like that. If it cannot surpass 200, let's make it 2100, we can see some drop inside of Ethereum, and this is also same way, but it's not mean it came half, it's made reversal, it's not gonna drop. It might drop, but of course if it can surpass this level, we can see rise as well, because it's already made the correction. And BNB walk inside of our box, it's drop, it's came inside, it's give rise, and drop and rise, just it's allowed to trade inside of that box. That's successful. So to make some things on BNB, we need to see some, what is, and this is very small to make anything, 656 at least, it need to close for 3 candles over it, then we can consider. But I do think it would, drop down over this level or maximum 666, and I surely this is looks better. Yes, this is 666. Yes, so that's why right now it's not make sense, because there's have just 1.5 percentage, and to take it to make open, it's not make sense because there's a 5 percentage zone. Let's see what's gonna happen. We are waiting those days to market get some decision, at least give some things for trade. Does not mean we need to go inside of all does not mean we need to go inside of all of position, because it's not make sense. When we see of opportunity, then we do. So it's really walking so nice inside my zigzag box. As you see, it's came enter, rise, drop exactly on this box. It's walking and it's rise for sure. If it cannot surpass this level, it will drop down and it will give another opportunity. So we need to see some close candle over 89, even I can say, like, yeah, 89 is okay, 89.75, like that, because we already break up this lower trend. And to understand Solana will continue, we need to see some rise movements. We need to see some two candle to close over it, minimum 4-hour time frame. Then we can understand it will keep rise. Till there, just we can consider this box as a trade, as a pro trader. And Bitcoin Cash, let me make it this. Okay, this is good. It will go end of the way. Let's just make it that, because we already closed half of it. I told you exactly when we are there. And let's make it this. That was our target. And guys, we are near almost 10%, perfect. Now it's enter also here. Yes, let's just expand this box. It's enter over here and it didn't stop, as you see. Just let's move them. Yes, done. So continue. In XRP, just let's delete. I don't delete anything on my chart. I don't know why I do work like that. So on XRP, guys, it's just kind of choppy market, not making anything, just making zigzag movement inside this channel, and there is not even have boxes. Maybe you can consider this zone as a box, but it's not make sense. XLM will drop. That looks like can be open short. It's that makes sense, cause if it makes rise to make short, it not makes sense, cause it can maybe drop till here then make reversal. So just I can say drop. If you're pro, you can consider to make it something. Link also walking inside of the channel, and it's around somewhere middle, so it's not make sense. I can tell you when it's around here or around here, you can consider to, yes, that's okay, you can consider to make some long or short inside of the channel, but of course you need to put stop loss, cause if it's not drop, if it's not stop in the stop loss, it would go sharply. That's why, what it mean. So Zach gave us perfect in here. We got from here, this is our box. Let's just bring it like that. It gave 8% rise and 8% down, which is really perfect. But so far we need to see, some direction. If it's make drop around here or 186, we can consider long, or else we need to see to break this, lower line. BGB, yes, it's still inside of the enterprise. If you get, half of position over here, as I told you, it's total up to you, but it's still in enterprise. So let's see. Pippin walking inside of a channel. The things, guys, it's make so straight moves, like, okay, it's inside of channel, but do you see this wicks? It's making so sharply movement, like it's here and suddenly dropping till end of this channel. That's why it's not safe till it's breakdown 0.29. But the things, if it's drop here, guys, you need to understand it will drop. Maybe it can make 1 candle, 2 candle, that would be safer. Maybe it will make correction, then it will drop. That's why, because when it's drop here, for sure they will hunt, they will grab liquidation to gather all the people who make short in this coin. That's why they would make some big weeks in there. Just watch out. When you see this movement, then you can consider to take it. And by the way, it's giving some things like 30. That's perfect. And river, it's also walking inside of my box very well, and I do expect it will rise. Not 20, let's make it 90. Yeah, it looks like more realistic. Maybe if can surpass with weak, same as here, but the things, not need to be greedy, just consider that area. So Kite going to somewhere. It can it can drop till 2.22. even I made it 21 here, but let's make it 22. Yeah, it would drop till there. So after we can consider long, but if we see some reversal, we can, if we see some rise in it, we can consider to make short under of it. SOMI, yes, we earned 6% in SOMI. That was good. After it didn't go much lower. Let me just see after we close. Yeah, at 2.50, not bad, but it's okay anyway. So far we can just observe it. What about Aster? After Aster made us stop, do you see the small wicks, which is killing me? Then it rise, guys, look at it, still 3%, but anyway, at least it's going rise. And do you remember our target was here? Next time I will give this top very big. I'm sorry. What is this? Dot gave this entry, then it dropped. For pro traders, this is they know how to make stop. Just like, let's move this price. That's okay, guys. It will give that area because they have pretty nice news, also technique telling it will rise, fundamental telling it's gonna rise. So there's no other reason. Maybe just they're pushing on purpose. After that we will get this 10% in that box, no worry. And Sky, there's a Sky coin that I checked today. I do see this kind of cup inside of this formation, so we can consider to take some long position as a spot that I prefer because there's have 100% like 1x. So you can consider to, but of course it's for a long time. But this kind of coin you cannot know, it might be just 1 week or 2 days as well. Just I'm thinking that it looks like it will give that direction, and let me make it this bit here to understand my review on it. So guys, today like that we are making some zigzag movement inside of Bitcoin, so let's hope to break it up, then we will see good market till first 75, then 83, because there is a gap, don't forget it. This is the positive way, this is the positive last way that I do see. I hope we can see that, or else if we breaking down this bearish flag which I showed you yesterday, that would be a little boring. But anyway, any case, we will have some position longer and short, so that's okay. That's it so far. Watch out your position. Let's hope to some break up on Bitcoin. If it drop and rise, that would be healthier, but let's see, whatever. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.